According to a 2020 report by Feeding America, older adults with a grandchild present in the home are nearly 3 times as likely to experience food insecurity compared to those without. Joining us now to discuss and share some resources to support grandparent caregivers is Andrea Cody, Senior Project Manager at Sesame Workshop, and Dr. Arethusa Kirk, National Senior Medical Director at United Healthcare Community and State. Thank you so much for joining us today. Can you tell us a little bit about Grandparents' Day?
Absolutely. Thanks for having us. Well, we believe that grandparents should be celebrated every day, and National Grandparents' Day this year was on September 11th. So it's great to continue honoring grandparents for all they do. We also know this last year has been very challenging for families and continues to be challenging and has impacted our access to nutritious foods and healthful foods, particularly for families that are dealing with financial struggles. So our new Happy, Healthy, Hopeful Stretching Our Food Dollars resources are our latest in our Growing Every Day, Every Way program, and it's made possible with our partnership with Sesame Workshop. So it includes helpful tips and activities for planning and making easy, healthy, budget-friendly meals that help families and grandparents and parents have that fun, playful activity that we know from Sesame Street in developing a healthy relationship with food. It's available in English and Spanish for free at grandparentsday.com.
That is awesome. And can you tell us about the relationship between United Healthcare and Sesame Workshop and more about the growing of it every day?
Yeah, Sesame Workshop is the nonprofit behind Sesame Street, and we've worked with United Healthcare for more than a decade to support families, healthcare providers, and communities as they help kids everywhere grow smarter, stronger, and kinder. And the Growing Every Day, Every Way program provides families and grandparents with free resources in both English and Spanish, including help to access affordable and nutritious foods, easy ways that families can build resilience together, and fun tips to incorporate physical activity into their daily lives. We know that some of the best memories most of us have with our grandparents revolve around food. Mine certainly do. And we've created the new Happy, Healthy, Hopeful resource to help make these tough times a little easier and to offer parents and grandparents ways that they can connect with grandchildren on making healthy food choices and providing information to families on accessing nutritious meals for the whole family on a budget.
That is awesome. And how can grandparents be empowered to take care of themselves?
Well, first, we want to acknowledge that there are 2.5 million grandparents that are the primary caregiver for children, so they have a large role in creating the next generation. The best way to empower and take care of yourself is really by making sure that you have good health insurance and a strong relationship with your primary care provider, and can model for grandchildren that kind of relationship and investment in your health and wellness. We have dual special needs plans that are a combination of Medicare and Medicaid that provide extra support to purchase healthy foods, including our United Healthcare Dual Complete members. In this program, they'll have access to up to $150 a month for covered over-the-counter products and groceries. And this is just one of the elements that helps families be empowered to be able to help themselves and model for their grandchildren healthy behaviors and habits that will aid to health and wellness.
Absolutely. And where can more people get some more information about the resources you shared today?
Our Happy, Healthy, Hopeful resources are both in English and in Spanish for free at grandparentsday.com.
Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for this crucial information.